Yes. Okay. All right. Let me just share the screen. Why do you look?
Ai cho em thế giấy của chị? Ai cho em thế giấy của chị? Ai cho? Không biết xin phép à? Em bị làm sao ấy? Tự tiền ấy. Đi ra ngoài.
All right. Can you see the screen, Miranda?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And we will just going to continue our discussion. We did not able to finish our discussion about finding the words in the review that mean the following. All right. Okay, let's start from letter A again. Let's see if you remember our lesson yesterday. Okay, it is things that happened in the story. It is a noun. Okay, from the review model, what word is it? So we are looking for the word that have the same that has meaning of the following things that happen in the story.
Đi ra ngoài. Thôi nhỉ.
Okay. All right. Where's your eyeglasses?
I don't like to wear.
You don't like to wear? Okay. Are you okay, Miranda?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so letter A, it things that happen in the story. It is a noun. So we are looking for the word that have this meaning. It is okay. It is
Plot.
yes, it is a plot. Letter A, it's a plot. It's a noun. Things that happen in the story. Plot. Okay, how about letter B? Can you read the meaning? Letter B.
Moves along quickly. It's subjective.
Yes, moves along quickly from the word quickly. Moves quickly. It is an adjective. What is it? It is also, the word is also from this paragraph. Hmm? is what are you doing with your hair?
Fast paces.
Fast-paced. Fast-paced.
Fast pace.
Okay. How about letter C? Completely holds your attention. Okay, holds from the word holds your attention. It is also an adjective. Hmm? We have discussed this yesterday. What is this? It is from the word hold. Hold your attention. It is synonyms of hold is grip. It's gripping. It means completely holds your attention. Adjective. It's gripping. Okay, Miranda?
Okay.
Okay, how about letter D? Can you read letter D for me? Can make.
Can make you believe they are real.
Yes, can make you believe they are real. It is also an adjective. Mhm. Can make you believe they are real. Can make you believe they are real. They are. It is. It is convincing.
Convincing.
Yes, it is convincing. All right. Makes you admire it. What is it? Makes you admire it. Makes you admire. You are. It is impressive.
Impressive.
Yes. Okay. Letter F, Miranda. Can you read letter F for me? Subject. Subject of a book. Subjects of a book. Film.
Suitable film play.
Mm-hmm. Etc. Okay. Subjects of a book, film, play, etc. Noun. It is a noun. What do you think it is? It is subject of a book. Subject of a book. It can be a book, film, or play. Hmm? It is.
It can
Mhm.
be book.
Subject of a book. It can be subject of a book, films, or a play. Miranda. What are you doing? Is it, are you braiding? Is it braiding? Hmm?
No.
Are you trying to braid your hair? Ah, okay. I thought you're trying to braid it. It is a subject of a book, film, or a play. What is it? Ouch, my eyes. It is a themes. Themes.
Themes.
Okay. Lastly, makes it difficult to relax. Okay. Makes it difficult to relax. The meaning is makes it difficult to relax. Adjective. So we are going to look for the word hmm, that have the meaning that makes it difficult to relax. What is it? Where is it? What is it? So let's look for this word that makes it difficult to relax. The meaning is makes it difficult to relax.
Is
Mhm. Okay, what do you think is this word?
impressive.
We have already impressive is the meaning of impressive is completely whole. No. Can makes you admire it. This is impressive. Makes you admire it. I can also I can also find a word that have the meaning of letter G that makes it difficult to relax. That makes it difficult to relax.
Dishonest.
Hmm?
Dishonesty.
Is it dishonesty? Hmm. The meaning is that it makes it difficult to relax. Makes it
Oh
difficult to
no.
relax. So help me, Miranda, to find this word. When they're I can find the word. Where is it? That range from dishonesty, greed, and selfishness to courage, loyalty, and respect for indigenous culture. This is a book I could not put down. I read it right through in a few hours. If you enjoy, okay, I already find it. Found it. The word is the word is tense. Okay. Tense means that it makes it difficult to relax. You are tense. Okay, for someone. For example, if you are watching a horror film and your friend, you look at your friend and he or she is shaking. He or she is a bit tense. So why are you tense? It means it makes it difficult for them to relax. Okay, tense. Okay, Miranda, what is the meaning of plot again? the word plot? From this, what is the meaning of plot? From this. A to G. So you're just going to choose your answer from here. What is the meaning of plot, of the word plot? Okay, is it A, B, C, D, E, F, or G? So you're just going to choose your answer from here. We have done discussing it. I just want you to read the meaning of the plot.
Things that happen in the story.
Okay, very good. So this is a plot. Okay, how about fast-paced? Fast-paced. Fast-paced. The word fast-paced here. Moves along.
Move along quickly.
Okay, very good. How about gripping? Gripping.
Completely hold your attention.
Well done. Okay. How about teams? Teams.
Can make you believe. No.
Teams.
Subject of a book, film, etc.
Okay, film, play, or etc. Very good. Okay, how about impressive? The word impressive. What's the meaning of this word? Impressive. The meaning of the word impressive
Is make you admire it.
Alright. Okay, how about convincing? Convincing.
Convincing it. Can make you believe they are real.
Alright, well done. Okay, last one. Tense. Tense.
That makes it difficult to relax.
Okay, very good. That makes it difficult to relax. Tense. Okay, number 4, Miranda. Does the okay, can you read number 4 for me? Does the
Number 4 is does the reviewer recommend the book to other readers? So, in which sentence?
Does the reviewer recommend the book to other readers? If so, in which sentence? Okay, let's focus on the first question. Does the reviewer recommend the book to the other reader? Yes or no? Based on this review model, what is your answer? Is it yes or no? Ouch. What is your answer? Does the reviewer recommend? Oops. Okay, does the reviewer recommend the book? Yes or no? Shoot, sakit.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, yes. In which sentence? Please
If you
justify your
enjoy
answer.
Chinese dialogue in which is quick, I suggest you choose this one.
Okay, very good. Well done, Miranda. Okay, so we are now in our next topic, which is writing. Okay, which of these descriptive adjectives usually have a negative meaning? Okay, negative meaning. Which of these descriptive adjectives, so all of it is descriptive adjective, usually have negative meaning? What do you think it is? Hmm? You are mute. I can't hear you. Mhm. Descriptive.
Up, up,
Mhm. Oops.
absurd.
Okay, absurd. What else? Absurd.
No.
Hmm.
Dila, ano, breathtaking.
Breathtaking? No, it's a positive. Because for okay, your answer absurd. Okay, first descriptive adjective absurd. It is correct. It has a negative meaning. Hmm. It's absurd. Like it's not true. Like you are being illogical. Mhm. Okay, how about bizarre? Bizarre. Hmm? Ouch.
Mm.
Mhm. Just try, Miranda. Okay, because you correctly answered absurd. Okay, it has a negative meaning because it means that it's not true or you're being illogical. Meaning of the absurd. And how about bizarre? Bizarre. Ouch. Hmm. For example, it's bizarre. It means that it is extremely strange. It is strange. It's odd. It's different from the others. It is strange. It's something odd.
Four,
Okay. How about
four,
hmm? What
four,
else?
four.
Poor. Okay. Oh, very good. Okay, so we have absurd, bizarre, poor. What else? We are looking for the negative meaning.
Negative meaning.
Why are you laughing? Hmm?
Because of my baby brother. He's dancing.
Oh, okay. That's why. Okay, what else? What
Slow
else?
moving.
Slow moving. Okay, correct. Slow moving. It is also have a negative meaning.
Mm,
Hmm. What else?
tremendous.
No, it is a positive meaning. Tremendous. Why are you laughing,
Uh,
Miranda? Okay. How about okay, breathtaking? It has a positive meaning. Delightful. It is also positive. Okay. How about this?
mm, outstanding.
Outstanding. No, it's positive. It means. Mhm.
Mysterious.
Okay, where is it? Okay, it can be both mysterious. It can be both positive, negative. How about dreadful? Dreadful means distress. Dreadful. Stress. Okay, so it is also have a negative meaning. Okay. What else? What else?
Remarkable.
It is positive. It has a positive meaning. Remarkable. Okay, it can be also mysterious. Your answer is correct, but it can be neutral. It can be positive and it can also be negative. And also predictable. It is also a negative. It also has a negative meaning. Okay, predictable. Like you can
Okay.
you can predict the outcomes or the behaviors in advance.
Bye.
In advance. Okay, number 4. Hmm. Which, okay, can you read number 4 for me?
Expressions do we use to recommend something and which to say not to do something.
Mhm. Which of this sorry. Which of this expression do we use to recommend something? To recommend something. And which to say not to do something? These are all expressions we can use to recommend and say not to do something. What is it? Okay, let's start with this. My advice. I can, Miranda. Okay.
Noisy, yeah. Noisy, noisy, noisy.
Ah, okay. I,
My
yeah.
advice to avoid this and is
Okay.
said this is really worse because
Oh no. Oh, okay.
this
Let's start with this one first. My advice is to avoid this.
my
Is it
advice to avoid.
okay? You will choose. Is this expression we use to recommend something, or is this expression we use to say, to which to say not to do something or anything?
recommend something.
Is it recommend something? My advice is to avoid. Okay, from the word avoid. Avoid this.
And which to say not to do
Yes.
something.
Okay, avoid.
Not to do.
Not do something. Very good. Okay, how about and instead? Okay. So these are one in one sentence. Okay. So let's go with the second. This is
Teacher.
expression. The expression is this is really worth dot because.
Recommend something.
Very good. Recommend something. Why? Do you need to go to the toilet?
I need to go to take my glasses.
Huh?
I need to go to drink some water.
Okay, go ahead. Drink water.
Teacher.
Hello. Okay, welcome back. Okay, so this dot is really worth dot because it is to recommend something. Okay, how about the third one? This is one. Okay, so you decided to use your eyeglasses now.
Yes.
Okay. Ouch. Okay, Miranda. Can you read the third sentence? This is one.
This is one of the best I have ever, so I suggest recommend something.
Okay, recommend something. So this is third expression is to recommend something. Very good. How about the fourth expression? I would advise I would advise everyone to a better done this such as you give me a reason for my feeling.
Recommend something.
Is it recommend?
Not to do something.
Yes, not to do something because it is comparing like I would advise everyone to a better done this such as okay so it is expression is which to say, not to do something. Okay, how about the last expression? Anyone who likes? Anyone who likes?
Recommend something.
Yes, it is recommend something. Anyone who likes that will really enjoy this. Okay, it is to recommend something. Well done. Okay, very good, Miranda. Quick steps to part 2 review. Okay. Can you read this for me, Miranda? Think
Quick
about.
step to part 2 review. Think about who your readers are and what they want to know. Make a plan that includes description, explanation, and conclusion. Try to include some interesting facts and
Lively comment.
recommend or advise reader against the subject of your review.
Okay. Oops. Against the subject of your review. Okay, number 5. Activity 5. Oh my gosh. Okay. You need to write your own book review. Include some descriptive adjectives. Okay. When you have finished, check your work as in Unit 1 writing exercise. Exercise 5 on page 13. Okay. Exam tip, always make sure your writing style is consistent throughout the review. Okay, Miranda. So in this activity, you will going to write a review. Okay, it should be 140 to 190 words. Okay, the example, the review model is this, the sugar glider. And you need to include, it says, wait, where is it? Oops. Okay, you need to include some descriptive adjectives. Descriptive adjective is this one. Absurd, bizarre, breathtaking, delightful, dreadful, exceptional, fine, moving, mysterious, outstanding, poor, predictable, remarkable, slow moving, superb, and tremendous. Okay, Miranda. Alright, okay, let's start our writing activity. So this is the example. So this is the example model. This is the guide of your review. It can be, for example, a review to a film that you have watched recently, last week, for example. What movie have you watched last week? What movie you have watched last week?
Đóng cửa ba boy. Bây giờ đóng cửa ba. Road needs another circulator is an adventure story set in Australia, moving from Jordan, the city of Brisbane to the wild
Yeah,
uninhabited area.
but you need to write your own review. So this is only a review model. For example, okay. Huh? What is it?
Wait, a second.
What is it, Miranda? All right.
I'm a minion.
Minion. Okay. For example, you will going to write a review of a film that you watched recently. Okay. Wow, that is a nice clump. So what film have you watched recently, Miranda?
Um, I watched True Beauty.
Oh, okay. So this is a series, True Beauty. I have already watched it. Okay. So, for
So
example,
you
so, what is it?
do you remember the actors?
Yes, of course.
It's a South Korean film.
Yes, it is a South Korea actors. There's also have a Japanese version of it, actually. hmm But I actually like the second male lead than the main lead, which is who is it? Wang Iyup?
Yeah,
Uh-huh. Yes.
Lee Jung-min.
Cha Eun-woo?
Lee, yeah. His real name is Lee Jong-min. Cha Eun-woo is his nickname because he's a singer too.
Yes, it is a singer who is belong to the group named Astro.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know that Wang Inyup have study here in the Philippines before? It is a fun fact. You can try to Google it. He stayed here in Philippines, which is in Cebu, to study English, to learn English.
Oh,
Yeah, he actually attend a school here in Cebu. Here in the Philippines, which is in Cebu City. All right. Okay, Miranda. So, okay, I will just going to make it your homework. Okay, to our writing exercise, you need to write your own your own story review, okay, about the series True Beauty. What do you think about it? Okay, and you will going to use this descriptive adjectives. What are you doing? These descriptive adjectives like absurd, bizarre, breathtaking, delightful, dreadful. Okay, Miranda?
okay.
Okay. So let's go back to our our story of telling. Okay. Have you um finished watching this series, True Beauty, or not yet?
Not yet.
So you just started watching it.
No, I watched it until the 15.
July 15.
15. Yeah.
Okay, so 15th of July you started watching it. All right. Okay, what else can you say about it so far?
It's
Do you like it?
weird. I really like it. I love it.
All right. So this series is about friendship. Okay. It's about friendship and being true to yourself, being accepted by the society despite of your appearance. Because the main character in that series, she's getting bullied because of her appearance, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so she learned how to
Makeup.
put makeup. How to put makeup. All right. Okay, so Miranda, let's try to answer these questions first before we proceed on the next unit. Holidays. It's about holidays. What do you do? Hmm. Okay, can you read the question for me, Miranda? What do you do?
What do you do when you have a holiday? Interesting question. Wow, I am bike at this.
Addict. I am a bike addict. I
I
ride.
ride all the time, and one of my most favorite hobbies during holidays is to go on a long ride. Whenever I have a holiday, I plan in advance for a trip away from my hometown. Besides, I have like many friends who enjoy the same. We are freaks and we have been doing this for a year now.
Okay. So let's go back to your original voice, Miranda. Okay. So how about you? What do you do when you have a holiday in Vietnam?
You already know, I watch a film.
Yes, you watch a film, but aside from that, what else do you do when you have a holiday? How about physical activity, Miranda?
How
How about physical activities? What is it? Hello.
Hello.
What about physical activities? Aside
I play
from.
badminton.
Okay, I play badminton. Okay, can you try to answer it in full sentence like this? Well, for example, whenever
I
I have a
clean
holiday,
hers.
for example, whenever I have a holiday, I
I watch a film all the days, and sometimes I play badminton with my brothers or my parents.
very good.
I
Okay.
really enjoy my holiday.
Well done. Okay, how about the second question? What do you usually spend your holiday with? I usually.
I usually spend my holiday with my family, but I prefer to spend holiday alone than other.
Hmm?
I usually spend my holiday with my family, but for me, I prefer to spend my holiday alone.
This okay to spend your holiday alone? Why? Why do you want to spend your holiday alone? Hmm?
Because I want to spend my holiday alone.
But why do you want to spend your holiday alone? What's the reason?
I think it's quiet.
Okay, so you
Quiet
want
time.
quiet, okay. All right. Quiet and peaceful holiday. I see. Okay, how about all right. So let's move on to the third question. Okay, can you read this for me, Miranda? Where do you like? Where do you buy
spend your
spend?
holidays? Why? Well, like I said earlier, we go on a ride whenever we have holidays. We have been to many places, and my all-time favorite place to spend time is Pok Pokhara.
Pokhara.
Pokhara
Pokhara.
is approximately 5 hours from
Five.
my hometown,
Uh-huh.
and Pokhara away amazes me with its beauty. You have live music,
Live.
international aura,
Yeah, Aura. Live
live,
music.
and
Yeah.
friendly environment.
Okay, friendly. Wow, you are flexing your muscles now. Okay. How about you, Miranda? Where do you like to spend your holiday? Wow, what a pose. Okay, where do you
I
like? At home. At home. Why?
because like to watch films. I like
Okay.
to lie on the bed and watch films all the day.
All day. All right. Okay, how about spending your holiday on the lake that you said that you mentioned before? What is the lake's name again? I forgot. You said it's a beautiful lake. You visit it during your birthday, you said? Hmm? What lake is it again? I forgot.
At home.
Huh?
At home.
At home. Okay, just at home.
Yes.
Okay. So aside from your home, Miranda, what places would you like to spend your holiday?
At the cinema.
Okay, so it's still indoors. How about outdoors? No?
Outdoor. Let me see.
Okay, let me think.
Uh,
Uh-huh. If it's not home, it's cinema. You really love
if
film.
if if it's hot, I would never go outside. But if it's cold in winter, I love to go outside with my friends.
Okay.
But I prefer to stay at home and watch a film more.
Okay. Okay, I will not going to argue with that because I know that you really love watching film. All right. So now let's move on to the next question. Okay, why are holidays?
Chưa có. Thế anh trông đi có món ăn cũng được không? Bữa ăn nữa hay ăn gì? Rồi.
Okay, Miranda, can you read?
Sao bạn đi ăn nữa?
Why are holidays?
Bọn em được đi bạn.
Why are holidays important?
Real.
Mhm. Why are holidays
They
important?
provide opportunity to
Holidays, okay. Why are holidays important to you?
provide opportunities
Opportunities,
to
Bite-
revitalize the
revi-
body and mind.
revitalize,
I personally think it's revitalize,
revitalize
revitalize
your body,
the body and mind. I personally think it is important to refresh yourself once in a while. Since I'm caught up in too many commitments, I
commitments.
always, ever, whenever I have holidays coming up.
Okay.
Let's see. Ah!
How about you, Miranda? Why are holidays important to you?
Because holiday is a time when I am able to relax.
Let me guess. And to watch films. Okay. As expected. Okay. Films. All right. And aside from watching films, you can watch films and to relax. Why do you think holidays is important?
Because when we don't have holiday, people can feel very tired and bored with their life.
With with their life, or they will feel what? Like burned out. You will feel burned out from all the works and
Mother.
studies. Okay, so that is why we need holidays
Mother.
to unwind. Okay, last question, Miranda.
Của voi đấy, của em á. Không biết cách của em á. Có đi bay đi bơi. What do people usually do during holiday in your town?
In your town, what do people
My
usually do?
hometown has a lot of during the last 5 years.
I have
have
seen
people
people
going for
going.
vacation lately. So far, I've seen most of the people traveling inside the country to popular touristic destination. However, I believe that the trend will change soon, and they will start making trips không xin mẹ abroad. Không xin mẹ. However, I believe that the trend will impressed with this changing future and believe that this is something we have learned from Westerners.
From Westerners. Okay, so what do people usually do during holidays in your town? For example, here.
Some stay at home, some go outside to have a walk, and people usually go outside and eating out with
Okay.
the friends and the family.
And with the families. Okay. For example, here people usually visit ocean beach, and they spend time. They spend time at the resort, and they spend time at the resort. For example, for us, my family, we stayed in this resort last weekend. So we stayed overnight there to spend, just to relax. Okay, and there's a lot of people usually also visits beaches. Okay, Miranda. So how about in your hometown? What do people usually do during holidays? They spend time. You said they spend time together with their family to eat outside. Some people, yeah, some people stayed at home, yes, and some people also took what? Take a walk outside?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Alright, Miranda, we will going to finish our lesson from here since we don't have much time, okay? I will see you again tomorrow morning at 8:30. 8:30 in the morning. Okay? To continue our discussion.
Okay.
Alright, Miranda. Bye-bye. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Mhm.